my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can achieve the hairstyle I have on my thumbnail. So to achieve this hairstyle, you will be needing some hair extension. You'll equally be needing a hairband and then 2 or 3 bobby pins. As you can see on the video, I already held my hair together into a low ponytail. This is pretty easy to achieve and everybody can do that. It's not difficult. So later on, you're going to take your hairband and place it in the middle of your hair extension and tie it up in such a way that you can easily attach it at the back of your low ponytail later on. Like you can see on the video, this is really also not difficult to achieve. And before I forget, for this hairstyle you'll also be needing a hairnet. You can have 2 or 3 hairnets depending on how you want your hairstyle to be or how tight you want your hairpiece to be at the end of your style. So you proceed by twisting the hair extension, but not twisting it so tight, and then rolling it up and passing it through your hairband actually. This part is just for you to decide how short or how long you want it to be at the back of your neck. If you want it to be low or you want it to be a little bit higher. So depending on how you want it, you can just keep on pulling it through the hairband, keep pulling it. I personally wanted mine to be low, so I left it at that stage. And after pulling it, you roll it again and place it at the back of the hairpiece in such a way that it's not going to be visible at the end of your hairstyle, if I can say it like that. So after hiding leftover hair extension at the back of your hairpiece, you now take your hairnet and place your hairpiece into your hairnet in such a way that your hairpiece doesn't move anymore. This stage is meant for you to give your hairpiece a shape, very nice round shape or a very nice tomato-like shape, which will really look nice at the back of your hair at the end of your hairstyle. Proceed by attaching the hairpiece at the back of your head just on your pony. This is very tricky, guys, because you have to attach it in such a way that like the middle part where the hairband is not going to be visible. This is achieved by attaching the hairpiece from the bottom to the top on your little bun. Apologies I didn't show this on camera, but I'll be doing another video where I will be illustrating this better. So yeah, that is it. Then you take your bobby pins and pin it here and there until you're sure that it's held tight at the back of your head. Personally, I wanted my bun to be low, not to be too long, so it all depends on you how you want it to be. If you want it to be longer, you can do it longer like I showed you earlier. It just depends on how you pull your hair extension. So yeah, that is it. So guys, the great thing about this hairstyle is that you can wear it anytime for an occasion, for a party. You can actually have it as a bride. I've seen several pictures of brides having this particular hairstyle. So thanks for watching, and if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.